What's up, dear viewers? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to model roof purlins in advanced steel. So I have this model here with a hip roof. I want to model Z or C channel roof purlin. So I will go to home and you can see this extended model option here. And in here, you can see another option for purlins, that option there. So I'll activate insert structural purlins in 3D model. So I'll activate it. And then I need to select object. So I'll pick that, and that object. Those are my rafters. And then I will hit enter. So do you want to select a reference point? I'll say no. Do you want to select additional beam? I just say no. And just wait for advanced steel to complete the operation. Okay. So I can change this section from C to, let's say if you want to use Z purlin, you can just change here. Okay. Can change whichever you need. So I will change this one back to C channel. Okay. You can increase change this section. So this is 8, use that. And then alignment, system reference, overhang, fast support. I'll change this one. You can edit all this. So I just leave it at that, at the default. And then I want to extend some members. I'll go to advanced tool palette. So activate advanced tool palette, expand here. And then in this option here, tools, you can scroll down and you see advanced trim stroke extend. So I'll click that. This time I want to extend, use system, and then I'll select objects. Those, that one, and that one, and even that one. Okay, hit enter. And then I'll select the members to be extended. So I'll click those, all those, and then hit enter. Then I'm just waiting for advanced steel to complete its operation. I will again click those one, hit enter. I want to extend that to that, hit enter. Okay, I want to extend this at point, hit enter. Then I'm going to select that, hit enter. If it does not work, we can just use another way. So I'll just escape the command and copy. Just escape the command. You can just copy this one. Just move it a bit. I want to copy selection from that. I can select midpoint of a flange. Okay. Then I want to select to copy from that middle flange to this middle flange. I'll do the same thing for this one. Again, I'll still copy from middle. Just select copy from that middle flange, flange middle to this flange middle. Okay, we can try to extend the other side. So I'll just rotate this model by the holding shift and the scroll button, pressing shift and the scroll button. And then I want again to activate this command. Okay, I will extend system. I'll pick the objects. I'll pick these and these Purlins. Hit enter. Objects to be extended. I'll pick again the Purlins and hit enter again. Okay, if it doesn't work, and just wait. Sometimes there is a delay. If it doesn't work, you can just again do the copy. There is no problem, and then we can trim. Okay, so I will select all those. Right click. I'll do copy selection from middle flange. Okay, you wait to see that flange middle, and again we are going to trim. So this one is not copied to the point that I need, because if you can see carefully, these ones are below. So I'll pick those. Right click, select, copy, and then I'll activate endpoint. Let me cancel. Right click, I will copy selection. I will copy from an endpoint to an endpoint. Let's say from that endpoint. Okay, and then I should have moved, not copy. So I need to delete this. Remember, this is just same with AutoCAD, because we're working in an AutoCAD environment. Just move these ones, the ones below. Then we can use the trim. So for this, you can trim system, select the objects. Then I can select even that one. I can right click my mouse and select this side, the particular side that I need to trim. Then again right click. Okay, I'm waiting, giving a couple of minutes. I'll just move this one. Move. I'll check. I want to move about the middle of flange middle to flange middle. So let me just check this side. I'm trying to expand and pressing the scroll button to move. Okay, this one I can just move from endpoint from that endpoint. So I'll select all of these. I'll select all of these. Just rotate it a bit. Okay, I only need to copy those. I will copy about, right click, select copy selection, and then I want to activate endpoint. Just I want to copy about endpoints. Then I want to rotate this one a bit. So from that endpoint, and then choose array, and I will type about 10 or about 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 7. About 7. Enter. The endpoint is the other endpoint. So I can remove those. And then I want to trim about system, that, and then all these objects. Right click. I want to pick this endpoint. Then right click, just like that. Do the same thing in the other side. Just rotate it more. And then I want to pick, because the command is still active, those. And then I want to right click and then pick these endpoints. I hope it's going to work perfect, because this software is. And then again right click. So let me activate the command again. Trim, and then system. I want to pick this one and all these. So let me escape and repeat the command, because there are so many beams close to each other and make easily do a mistake here. Select those and right click, and then I want to pick these endpoints. And then right click. Okay. We can escape, and then I want to repeat the same process. I will trim, system, select that draft or heap, that Purlin and that Purlin, and then right click and then select the endpoint. those points and right click. Okay. Remember, I want my purlins to move to the top of my heap. So I'll select all those and then copy selection. Okay, I want to copy from that endpoint and then array. How many do I need? You can just count it from here. 1 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So type 6, hit enter, and then select the other end. Okay. And finally, we can do the trim. So I will go to trim, trim, systems, that point, and select all those points, all those purlins, and then right click and then select the endpoints. Oops, I want the endpoints. So I will disregard what I've just picked. I hope it will just work fine. Okay, and then right click again. Okay, it worked, but it did not work perfectly because I just copied. And then repeat the same process to the other end. So I think, guys, that marks the end of my video. If you like this video, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.